This is how to fix the red boom problem on a Viper 4. This one's running 23.1 software and later, and this is a Fendt Rogator. This also works on Terragators as well. But what happened is the boom profile for some reason didn't load in correctly, and we got to delete it out and then add it back in. So in this software, you tap on this icon of the sprayer with the red boom, the bottom left, then tap on it up here. And then from here, go to the third tab. This is the boom that's having the problem. Hit the trash can and then delete it. After it's deleted, you may have to wait a little bit, but if you hit the plus button and that boom loads back in, you're good. If it asks you to name a new boom, you want to cancel that, wait a little bit longer, hit the plus again. You want this pre-made boom to load back in. Once it's loaded back in, hit the back button and the back button, and your red boom is gone, and you can start a job. And on pre-23.1 software, the red boom will be up here. You want to tap on this ECU with the gears, then tap on this overhead of the sprayer icon, then over to the third tab and do the exact same thing.